My name is Charlotte Goodison and I'm from England. I chose Sampoorna because I had a recommendation from one of my friends who really enjoyed her time here. The course was really good. We had a lot of different lessons. The anatomy was really interesting and was related back to all the different yoga poses, so really helpful to understand. In all of the asana practices, we had a high ratio of teachers to students, so we got a lot of hands-on adjustments that was really helpful. There was really helpful philosophy classes that helped understand the origin of yoga. The food is absolutely amazing, really varied at lunchtimes and dinners, lots of fresh fruit and vegetables, all vegetarian, which was great because I'm vegetarian. Facilities really good, lots of different yoga shalas. We had a pool, which is great for lunchtimes, and we're right near the beach, so only a few minute walk to go and watch the sunset. It's jam-packed with lots of lessons. All the teachers are really enthusiastic about their subjects, so above and beyond my expectations. Definitely felt safe. It's a really private facility with everything in one area. Felt safe in the environment and definitely felt at home, and a really nice community of people here, so really homely. I definitely and will be recommending Sampoorna to all my friends.